Hello to our Massapequa families. I'm Dr. Bill Brennan, Superintendent of Massapequa Schools, and I'm thrilled to share some exciting news and invite you to join the conversation. In Massapequa, we believe in the power of education, not only for our students, but for our parents too. That's why we're launching the Parent University, a unique initiative designed to create a supportive and collaborative learning environment for our amazing parents. It's a way to further strengthen that bridge between home and school. We're in the very early stages of designing this experience, and by way of this thought exchange, I'm inviting you to share the topics you'd be most interested in. Not only will you have a chance to share your own thoughts, but through Thought Exchange, you'll be able to rate the thoughts of others. This open and transparent process allows us to crowdsource many ideas and determine parent priorities across the district. Just a few quick reminders: you can share and rate as many thoughts as you like. While you will see everyone's thoughts, please know all thoughts are anonymous, even if you log in. Your responses should only pertain to the Thought Exchange question. Please refrain from sharing any specific names of schools or classes. We encourage you to come back as often as you like to see new thoughts and rate others' thoughts. This exchange will be open for 2 weeks, and then we will prepare a report of findings and next steps. I thank you for taking the time to participate.